So, I have been very confused because when I was next to the river, I saw these tracks. And I was like, yeah, that is a big dog. And look at that one. That's a big dog. It's like a Mastiff or, well, maybe not that big, but definitely more than 80 pounds. Big dog. Well, there's human tracks, so yeah. But here's what doesn't make sense about these. These are my tracks right here. And this is the other person's tracks. All this time, where are the dog prints? This trail loops by a creek back there. Once it started to loop, the dog tracks went away. So I'm thinking, this is weird. And then I start to see tracks going in the woods. And I know what coyote tracks look like. Those could be small enough to be a coyote. I know that. And that's clearly not a dog because it came from the woods way back there. And there's no human tracks. And it only came one way, this way. But then I come over here. Somebody has been using this multiple times, going through the woods. Way down there is the river, the St. Croix River. It was using the trail, the human trail, next to the St. Croix River. It cut through the woods instead of doing the loop. It cut through the woods right here. And it's done it maybe 2 or 3 times, maybe a few days ago. Those are some of the biggest tracks I've ever seen. I don't know about you, but that's definitely not a coyote track. And where I am, there are timber wolves. I mean, that is big. That's as big as my palm. And there's multiple tracks. This is definitely a wolf. A big wolf. And clearly, I mean, this person must have noticed it too. I don't know what they were doing over there. Now see these, look how small those are. That, yeah, that's a coyote or a fox or something, but that is huge. I mean, this is a ginormous animal. Oh, wow. Is that a hare? Yes. Look at that. And it's curly, like a wolf. Wow. And then it goes out there. I've been seeing a lot of tracks of something else going through the woods too. So if you ever see paw prints and they're smaller than my palm, it's definitely a coyote. But and of course wolves are only in certain places, so if you're in like what was that? Anyways, if you're in like Missouri or something like, I mean, like this, it's definitely not a wolf. Well, actually, it could be a baby one, but it's very small. Definitely not an adult one. But those back there, yeah, huge, just huge. so many of them too. So yeah, if you're somewhere where there aren't wolves, of course, if you see tracks that are even big, hopefully they're not that big, but that would definitely be a coyote. But yep, up here in Minnesota, if you go far enough north, there are timber wolves. That's why our basketball team is Timberwolves. Just fantastic to really be able to see them and know for sure, well, that's not a dog like I thought. I even found hair on that one. And they are huge. If only I was lucky enough to see it.